Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to unbox, set up and review the BIGGERFIVE Vigor 2 Kids Fitness Tracker. This video will give you a good understanding into how this fitness tracker works. You can also benefit from our exclusive discount code from BIGGERFIVE. Read the description for more details. Inside the box you have a quick start guide, the watch and a USB cable. Now let's have a look at the watch. As you can see, the watch is small. It's also lightweight. The straps are made of soft silicone, and the edges of the watch screen is also made of silicone, which helps protect it from scratches. It comes in several colours. I have here the blue and the purple versions. You can also buy it in black and pink. This fitness tracker is IP68 waterproof, which means it can be used with water activities. To charge it, simply plug the USB cable to a USB charger on one end and the other end to the fitness tracker. It will take 2 hours to fully charge the watch, and the battery can last up to 7 days depending on your usage. Now let's look at its capabilities. To turn on or move between screens, tap the icon on the bottom of the screen. The first screen will display the time and battery. The second screen will display your step count during the day. Whilst on this screen, if you tap and hold, you will get additional information such as mileage covered, calories burnt, and activity duration. The third screen will display your heart rate. You then have your activities such as running, walking, and biking, and the last screen will display the stopwatch. Now, to track an activity, select one from the list, let's say running. Tap and hold the activity. It will count you down and the activity will start. Now the watch will start monitoring your activity duration, your steps and calories burnt, your distance and pace, and your heart rate. To stop the activity, tap and hold again. Now let's set up the watch with the app. First, download and install the BIGGERFIVE app on your phone. So go to Play Store or App Store and type BIGGERFIVE in the search box. Then tap Install. It will take a few seconds for the app to be installed. Once installed, open the app. Now swipe towards the left twice. Then tap on Experience Now. Tick the user agreement and privacy policy box, then tap on I agree. Register for an account if you don't have one. I already have an account, so I will just log in. So I will input my details, then tap Login. Tap Allow to turn on Bluetooth on your phone, then allow the app to access your device's location. Now tap on My on the bottom right side of the screen. Then tap on Family Members. Now tap on Create New Account to create an account for your child. Enter your child's name, gender, age, height, weight, and you can also set daily steps objectives, let's say 6,000 steps, and weight objectives. Then tap Save. You can create additional accounts if you have other children. Now go back. Then tap on Device at the bottom of the screen. Then Add Device. Tap on the boy icon on the top to select your child. Then tap on Bracelet. The fitness tracker Vigor 2 will appear in the list. Tap on it to start pairing. It will take a few seconds for the binding to complete. All done. My fitness tracker is now connected to the app. Now the time on the watch will be synced with the time on your phone. You can now see your steps statistics, calories burnt, training, sleep statistics, heart rate and weight. Now tap on Training at the bottom of the screen. Here you can start an activity using your phone. You have walking, running, biking and hiking. You normally don't need to start an activity from your phone, as you can start it from your watch. However, if you want to track your sport route, you will need to take your phone with you and start the activity from your phone, because the app relies on the GPS on your phone to track your sports route. Now tap on Device. Tap on your fitness tracker. Scroll up. Then tap on My Watch Face. Here you can select a different face for your watch. For example, I will choose the face with the dog. Now go back. Tap on Health Monitoring. Tap on HR Monitoring. Here you can enable this button to continuously monitor your heart rate. Now go back and tap on Drinking Reminder. Here you can set drinking reminder for the watch to remind you to drink water. So you can select your start and end time and adjust your reminder interval. Then tap on the correct sign to save your settings. You can also set a walk around reminder or set sedentary alerts to receive alerts when you've been inactive. Now go back. Tap on Alarm Clock. Here you can set an alarm. Just set the time of the alarm and the repetition, let's say Monday to Friday. And set an alarm name, let's say Get Up. The watch will now vibrate on the time and date you set. Now go back and tap on Device Settings. Then Multi-Sport Mode. Here you will see the list of supported activities. There are 11 supported sports, however you can only display 3 on your watch. My watch is currently displaying running, walking and biking. To select a different sport, first tap on the one you don't want, let's say biking, then tap on the one you want to add, let's say hiking. This will replace biking with hiking on my watch. This should cover the main features of this watch. Overall, this is a great entry-level fitness tracker to keep your kids active and healthy. The BIGGERFIVE app is easy to use and it allows parents to create multiple accounts for their children. Because the fitness tracker is waterproof, your kids can enjoy water sports activities whilst wearing it. It supports 11 activities, so your child can select their preferred sports and track their performance. If you have any questions about this product, please leave a message below this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the latest tips and reviews on the latest technologies. With quick tips too, knowledge has no limits.